No power steering, huh?
Yeah.
This thing's definitely a fucking poocher.
Where's the fucking engine?
So we're here at Jer-Bear's shop going to pull the drivetrain from this parts car, E46 of course. So yeah, we're going to remove the engine and transmission, once again with the classic Jer-Bear here. Got the fire roaring, it's nice and warm in here. One of the best things he's installed. What? Oh yeah, the temperature. Almost 80 degrees in here. Nice little happy face, definitely comfortable. Alright. Let's get this engine tore out of here. So usually we start underneath the car. We will drop the exhaust first. This is some kind of fabulous custom jobby here. Pretty rough looking. There's a universal cat right there. Universal catalytic converter. Back into a muffler. She's not very clean down here. But us being in Pennsylvania, you know, we're used to this kind of thing, so.
Let's see if I can't get a good angle here.
We're just going to cut this exhaust off because it's rough shape anyway.
Yeah.
And nobody's going to want this exhaust. It's freaking just kind of slapped together.
Yeah.
So.
Watch yourself, Jared. It's coming down. That's it. Oh. Just take. Is that fucking exhaust rattling? Yeah. There we go.
We're about to hit this Jubo with the classic Mike Tyson tussle, buddy.
Oh. As if she wants to.
Yeah. There we go. All the Jubo bolts are loose, baby. Gotta take out the bolts.
Yeah.
Oh, they're in there.
Yeah.
They sure as fuck are, too. I'm now going to remove the intake manifold and other accessories.
The socket when I popped it on the fucking they're like gold pops.
Yeah, so mine are like orangish.
Oh, they are?
Mm-hmm.
I don't need the bolts fucking coming.
God damn it.
What?
Another one. Why do people feel... I don't understand why people do this. They put the fucking cross washer for the drain plug on this damn...
Oh, did they? Seriously?
This is like the third time I've seen this.
Oh my god. It was on my car, remember?
Yeah. So, for those folks at home, whenever you get an oil change kit for your E46 or any other car with this engine, this crush washer is not meant to go on this freaking oil filter cap. It's supposed to go on your fucking drain plug for the drain pan. This is like the third time I've seen this. I don't understand some people's fucking thought process here. But yeah, that does not fucking go on the oil cap. Come on.
Someone crawling my arm. You gotta let it go with the last engine.
I'm not sure.
Front of it.
It's now protein shake time, buddy.
Pull it.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That's a Banana Blitz special right there. The Banana Blitz. Egg protein, baby. The last owner of this car was a pioneer in ingenuity as he made his own power steering delete. A nice big bolt right into the location of the pulley. Look at that. What a fucking craftsman.
Left the reservoir in
Leaves the reservoir intact. All that. Gets a shorter dry belt and all that fancy stuff, but just, leaves a bolt in it. That's nice. Hell yeah.
There she is.
It is now time to remove the engine and transmission. We keep them together as it is much easier with it to be one whole assembly. We're going to spray the bell housing bolts with some of that Harry Potter potion. These blocks love to seize and snap off the bell housing bolts because the threads protrude past the block surface, so you can see that, and they collect dust and debris. And as you go to back that out, this soft aluminum block does not like that. It begins literally cold welding itself in, and usually snap ears off the block, or you break the bolts in half. So we try to prevent that by coating them with some PV Blaster. Usually I like to also use ATF and acetone mix. And I also like to brush off the ends of those threads so they pull through. It's now time to give this transmission some separation anxiety here.
Right off. Living on the edge, buddy.
Tack, baby. Ooh, how's that feeling?
I'm loosened up nice. We'll see how.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one.
Jeez. Yo.
There she is. Whoa. She up wasn't early. I think it was in 03, so it was probably right at the transition.
These parts cars, they come in, they usually have some pretty stiff joints, so gotta crack your joints here sometimes. Like that. Oh, yeah. See that? She's nice and loose now. She was all bound up and stiff before. Now she's nice and works beautifully.
Got her right out.
The throttle pedal brackets are always a pain in the fucking ass.
Yeah.
I hate those damn things.
Didn't even fucking crack it.
Jer-Bear's pulling the pedals for the manual swap kit, as this car was a 5-speed, as you've seen. There's a pedal. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. What do we have here? The car just gave birth to something. What could it be? Oh, slave cylinder.
Here's the master to it.
Master cylinder. Really quick tip for you guys. Do not wrap your headers, especially these cheaper ones, because they will just shorten their lifespan and they will crack. Listen to this fucking idiot flying by. That was a fucking Honda. Okay, anyway. So this header wrap here will actually, it's designed to hold heat in, and this cheap China stainless steel will crack prematurely if you wrap them. So don't wrap your cheap headers. This heat wrap can also cause corrosion to happen fairly quick. As you can see up through there, these were about to rot through. These will retain moisture and cause premature corrosion as well.
Gosh.
Should have wore your monkey gloves. You're gonna be all itchy. Fiberglass make you itchy.
Yeah.
Also, like I said in my header video for these cars, is these cheap gaskets, they do not seal and they blow out prematurely. That was leaking terribly. Junk. Look how bad that was leaking. Yep. Terrible. And there we have it. One successfully pulled engine from a E46. What do you think about that, Jer-Bear?
Easy work.
Yeah, not bad at all. Like 2 hours. Alrighty, guys. That's all for today's video. If you found the following footage to be useful or overall entertaining for you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, as I highly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.